So the final paradox we address is known as the new states paradox. And the new states paradox occurs when the addition of a new group changes the apportionment of other groups. So in this example, it says, suppose a local fitness club has 3 locations, East Side, West Side, and South Side. The table shows the number of memberships for each location. So here is the locations. Our total membership is 742. And then the memberships are broken up into these subgroups or these locations for these fitness clubs. The fitness club decides to purchase 10 new treadmills and apportion the treadmills to each location according to its membership. The fitness club owner neglects to include a recently opened North Side location with 52 new members. Based on the apportionment of the original 10 treadmills, the owner decides to purchase 1 more treadmill and allot it to the new North Side location. Demonstrate that the new states paradox occurs if the fitness owner reapportions the 11 treadmills to the 4 locations using Hamilton's method. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to determine the standard divisor. We have a total population of 742 members. This is before the owner realizes that he forgot to include the North Side location. So according to these 3 locations, he has 742 members, and he goes ahead and he's going to allot 10 treadmills to them. So we just divide this by 10. So then our standard divisor is 74.2. Using our standard divisor to come up with our standard quota, we divide this by the standard divisor, and this comes out to be 5.499. Divide this by the standard divisor, and our standard quota is 3.935. And for this location here, divide by the standard divisor, and its standard quota is 0.567. And again, using Hamilton's method, we round each one of these standard quotas down. This rounds down to 5. This rounds to 3. And this one will round to 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. But we have 10 treadmills, so we have 2 treadmills left over. And again, using Hamilton's method, we allot those treadmills to the standard quotas with the small or the largest fractional components. So we have 0.935 right here. So the west side will be given an extra treadmill. That'll be 4. And we have 0.567 here. So the south side will be given a treadmill. And of course, 5 and 4 is 9 plus 1 more. So there's 10. So originally, not realizing that he neglected to include that other location, this is how the allotment would look like. But then he realizes that he opened a north side location with 52 new members. So based on the apportionment of the original 10 treadmills, the owner decides to purchase 1 more treadmill and allot it to the new north side location. So this is what the table should look like. 408 still, 292, but now he's got the new north side location here with 52. Now based upon what he did originally here, the south side location has 42 members. So that location only needed 1 treadmill. So he decides to go ahead and include 1 more treadmill. So now we have a population of 794, and we're going to divide that by 11. So the standard divisor for here becomes approximately 72.182. So we go ahead again, come up with the standard quotas. 408 divided by the standard divisor of 72.182. And this is 5.652. Do the same for the west side. The standard divisor is 72.182. And the standard quota is 4.045. For the south side, go ahead and divide by 72.182. And this is 0.582. And for the north side here, there's no reason to go ahead and do that. He's already allotted 1 treadmill to the north side. So now using Hamilton's method, we round down. This is 5. This is 4. And this is 0. 5 and 4 is 9. One more is 10, but we have 11 treadmills. And of course, that goes to the standard quota with the largest fractional component. And look at that. It happens to be this one here, the east side. So that leftover treadmill will go over here. So what has occurred is that 6 goes here, which originally had 5, and one is missing here, which was originally at the south side. So the east side gained a treadmill or gained a seat from the south side. And there's the new states paradox.